Hello and welcome to yet another video on Claude, presented by your mentor Vivek, Monday morning at Brightcart. You type write an email into Claude and get something generic. Nobody's fault but ours. Claude is not a command line. Talk to it like a coworker. Naturally, concisely, conversationally, and the output changes. So, what does a good prompt look like? Three parts. The same briefing you'd give a new teammate. Let's build one live for Brightcart's festival sale. Part 1. Set the stage. Who are you and what's the goal? I'm the marketing lead at Brightcart, a small e-commerce store. Our big festival sale lands next month. Claude now knows the world. Part 2. Define the task. What action do you actually want? Write, analyze, build. Hours. Draft a one-page campaign brief, goals, key messages, and a channel plan. One clear ask. Part 3. Specify the rules. Style, tone, format, examples. Upbeat but professional. Bullet points match the attached newsletter. Stage, task, rules. The whole framework, 30 seconds work. Notice that word, attached. Context is the power move. Claude takes PDFs, Word docs, CSVs, text files, even images, and reads the visuals too, charts included. Summarize a report, analyze an image, pull trends from a spreadsheet, debug code, whatever you're working with, hand it over. And for context you repeat every single day, set it once. Settings, general, personal preferences. Tell Claude how you like to work, and it applies to every conversation automatically. The first response lands. Don't judge it, work it. Ask follow-ups to dig deeper. Give honest feedback. Too formal, make it conversational. Claude adjusts instantly, no feelings hurt. Heading in the wrong direction entirely, redirect it mid-conversation, or just start a fresh chat. A clean restart often beats 10 patch-up messages. And my favorite trick, the pencil icon. Hover over your own message, edit it, resubmit. Claude answers your improved prompt as if the weak one never happened. Now the quiet superpower, memory. As you chat, Claude picks up your role, preferences, decisions, working style automatically. Review, edit, or delete any of it in settings. It syncs across your devices. Pair that with styles. Preset ones like concise, formal, or explanatory, or build a custom style, and your chosen voice carries across conversations. One credit before we close. Our whole approach adapts the 4D framework for AI fluency: delegation, description, discernment, diligence, from Professors Rick Dakan and Joseph Feller. We'll use it right through this course. Remember, Claude brings the intelligence. You bring the context and expertise. Next unit, 5 common prompt fails and the fix for each. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.